So, okay, my dear friends, today you have to give your feedback regarding our classes. B11 students must give their feedback in English, but the students of B11, sorry, B18 batch may give their feedback in Hindi. I have told you what is feedback, but if any one of B18 batch student think that he can speak into English, then he is most welcome. So now we are starting our class. And first of all, I have got the names of Harshit Keshav, okay, from B18, Rohit, Rakshit, Harsh, Manisha, Yamini, and Shri. Very good. Sushil, Rajni, अरे very good. अंकिता और कबीर, शाबाश, very good. सुने आप लोग, बाकी के लोग ध्यान से, घबराए नहीं. एक एक्सपीरियंस लें आप जरा. First of all, I am calling Harshit to express his views regarding our class. Means he is giving his feedback, so listen to him carefully. Yes, come on, Harshit.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Harshit More. I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. And today's my topic is my feedback regarding these classes. According to me, these classes are one of the best classes that I have taken ever. And I can say that these classes are the best whom you can trust the most. Uh, in these classes, I have learned a lot of things and I have been taking these classes for more than 2 years, and I have learned a lot of things from these classes. These classes are very useful for me from the beginning and at this level. I started from the zero level from at which I could not speak anything and I was not able to read frequently. And I was not able to understand the grammars that are coming in upcoming classes or that will come in upcoming classes. I didn't know that what type of things are there in English, and I thought that there are only questions and answers in English, and at the time I used to iterate the grammar, but when but by the time I have been taking these classes, I have understand that the
Understood.
most worst thing. Yes, sir. I understood that the worst thing in the world is iteration. If you want to make any person uh, not able to speak or write or listen, then you may uh, give him to iterate, because iteration makes a person not to think by his mind. And from the beginning I have learned many things, and I have learned the thing that we should not iterate. And at the beginning I knew nothing that what are grammars, helping verbs and main verbs and etc. But at the beginning I thought that I should leave these classes, because at the time I thought that I can know I can't understand English language. But as I took these classes, I understood that I can make myself able to speak, listen, and write in these classes. So I continued these classes, uh, and now by now I have been taking these classes for the improvement uh, of myself, and I have been taking these classes for my inner development, so that I can be able to fight the competitions, or I can be able to understand the things, because in the upcoming times most of the interviews will be held in the English language, and those who are preparing for competitions should know how to speak or listen English. And uh, I am and at the time when I took these classes first time, uh, I thought that I can do nothing in English and I should not take these classes. But as I told you that I I kept these classes going on, because determination is the best thing on which you can believe, and you must do hard work so that you must get the best result. And from the beginning, sir gave us many topics to do self practice. And
Self practice.
if,
This is the main important thing. Yes. Hmm.
yes, sir, this is one of the most important thing in English, because when we do self practice, uh, we know that we have to make the words ourselves, and we do a lot of effort in this, by which we can improve our mindset, and our mind is able to keep many things. So we must practice as much as we can, and we must improve ourselves in any language.
Hmm.
As we are not foreigners and we are not living in the environment of English, so it will take some time to be in our mind. But when it will be in our mind, it can't be restored. Uh, it can't be destroyed, and it can be destroyed at the time when we will die.
Hmm.
So that's it, sir.
Very good. Nice expression. Harshit, keep it up, beta. Shabash. And now there is the name of Keshav from B18. Yes, come on, Keshav.
Hello, my name is Keshav Goyal and I am the student of Ramban classes. I am the student of batch 18. I will tell you about about my feedback.
Hmm.
I was joined 2 years ago in the classes, but I lived in 1 year because it was a problem. I leave the classes.
That. बोलो
That-
बोलते रहो आप तो कोई बात नहीं
Then-
आपके लिए हाँ.
I think that then some 2 years ago, one Karnataka uncle come in my society. He always speak in Karnataka and English. He only speak to me because I was very fluent in English. And he do not talk from anyone. He also play crickets with me. And I think that that Guruji was the teacher who can only teach me English, and I am the student of music in my class and school. So I sing songs in my school stage. So sometime the principal talked to me in English, then I give him a fluent answer in English.
Very good.
Because of Guruji. He always tell that believe in yourself and say what you want to say. Because of Guruji, I also has the A plus with marks in my English grammar. He says that practice and practice.
मजा आ गया ये वो अच्छा बोला वेरी गुड बहुत बढ़िया शाबाश ये होता है कॉन्फिडेंस ठीक है ना दिस इज कॉल्ड बोलो आप बोलोगे तो आप सीखोगे बोले बिना नहीं पार पड़ेगी मतलब इफ यू वांट टू स्पीक इफ यू वांट टू बी फ्लुएंट देन यू हैव टू मेक एफर्ट्स देयर इज नो डाउट डर को निकाल दो डर क्या है किस चीज का डर है ओके केशव वेरी गुड कम ऑन रोहित
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Jyoti Adar, and today I'm going to tell you about my feedback regarding these classes. As you all know, that English is the most important language in the world, and to get success in the life, we should know about the English language, because this language can bring you from the bottom to the upper, from the bottom to the higher level. As you can imagine that if you are in a foreign country, then English is so important for you that if you don't know English, then you won't be able to communicate with the people of that country, and then how will you manage to know what they are telling to you, and how will you survive in that country? So in my view, I think that English is the most important thing. And to learn English, it is not a language that we can iterate it and we will learn it. It's to learn it or to understand this language. First of all, the main thing is to self practice or confidence to speak it. As we all know that many people know it, but they don't use in their daily life, and their confidence becomes low. So they are not able to speak it. But in my view, I think that without confidence or without self practice we won't be able to learn English language. And I joined these classes. I joined before 2 years ago, and when I joined these classes, I didn't know anything about English. I think that it is a subject which is a burden for the students in the school life. And that time I only used to read the books, not and I won't be able to I wouldn't be able to understand what the sentence or what the text want to say us they want to say us. And my grammar was also very weak, very very weak, and I won't be able to translate or do any one sentence of grammar. And nowadays now I am feeling improvement in myself as I have do a lot of practice. So for the beginners who are learning English or want to learn English, I want to say that without self practice or without the confidence to speak English, you can't do anything, because confidence is the most important thing. And as you know that let me do that to learn any language, the main role who plays is a teacher, because without teacher you cannot understand the things. And if there will be not a teacher, then who will explain you the things? So Rajesh sir is the most important or most useful teacher in the world, because he teaches not only about his subject. He tell us to respect all the subjects. And he not only tell us about studies, he also tells us about what is society, what to do in it, and what are requirements of us to live in this society. So in my view, I think that Rajesh is most is the nice is a nice nice teacher, and English is the most important language. Thank you, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड, नाइस एक्सप्लेनेशन रोहित। बी एटीन वाले भी समझ लो कि ये लोग जब आए थे ना, जो आपको दिख रहे हैं ऐसे बोलते हुए, बिल्कुल आपके जैसे ही थे स्टार्टिंग में। फैक्ट मान के चलो आप, ये बराबर बात है। ये जिस स्टेज पे आप हो ना अभी, उसी स्टेज पे थे ये लोग भी, लेकिन बिकॉज ऑफ प्रैक्टिस दे आर हेयर बिफोर यू। और कुछ भी नहीं है इनके साथ में स्पेशल, वही ट्रीटमेंट आपको दिया जा रहा है 101%। तो डेफिनेटली यू वुड बी एबल टू स्पीक इंग्लिश। ओके रोहित, नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I'm giving my feedback. So I started to take these classes from 7th of October 2021, and now I have been taking these classes for 2.5 years. And from the beginning, when I started to take these classes, I knew nothing about English. I knew nothing about the grammar of English. And but when I started to take these classes, I slowly I knew about the grammar. And then I knew that how to speak in English, there what are the things that we can use to make sentences in English. And from the beginning, sir on every Saturday, sir gave us an environment of English speaking, so that we can also improve our English by this way. And from the starting, sir always tried to improve our English by all the 4 ways, which are listening, speaking, writing, and reading. And sir applied many methods so that we can improve our English language, like self practice. Sir ask us to translate the sentences from Hindi to English, English to Hindi. And sir also gave us many paragraphs to translate in Hindi, etc. And so, sir, from the beginning, sir gave us the best experience to learn this language, because this is not our language and we can't learn it easily. So we and now and sir always makes us practice so that we can improve our English. And till now, sir gives us many sentences so that we can practice their topic and improve our English. So sir, from the starting, sir always says us to do practice and practice, so that we should so this like the system of this language will remain for our for in
ever,
our life.
forever.
And
Hmm.
okay sir, forever. And and now we are at the stage that we will never forget this language. And when we for and there are some other ways by which we can forget language, that sir याददाश्त को क्या बोलते हैं?
Memory.
We will lost our memory, and when we die. And sir, that's it.
Very good, nice speaking. Shabash beta, keep it up. You also will reach to this point. This is I am saying to B18 students, nothing to worry about it. I am sure. मुझे पता है ये लोग जब आए थे तब सेम था, अभी भी आप ही लोग भी सेम हो, बस आप कर रहे हो जो अपन करवाना चाह रहे हैं, तो डेफिनेटली आप भी इस स्टेज पर आओगे. ओके, नाउ हर्ष.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshad, and today my topic is my feedback regarding these classes. First of all, I want to say that before joining these classes, I thought that everything is impossible in the world when we don't have some knowledge about it. But now I think that everything is impossible when we don't have determination about it. And if we have if we have if if we have determination about doing a thing, then we can be able to perfect in that thing without any problem. So so I want to say that uh, for for learning anything, we must have determination about it, that we can learn. And I learned this knowledge about from my sir, that determination and practice is the most important thing for learning anything. And uh, and if we want to learn anything, we should have we should have confidence about that thing. Like we have to we want to learn English, then we should do practice of it. We should not think about the people, that if we speak anything on the stage, then what will people think about it. We should only think about ourselves, that what will we feel if we don't speak about what we are if we don't about what we are speaking. And uh, and uh, all these things I get to know from my sir. And you can imagine his passion by this, that he gave us his time, so that we are able to practice. And he gave us his time to checking our work. uh, like he gave us work of self practice. And he gave his time, his own time, that he should give to his family. That time he gave to us for checking our work. And I am at this level because of sir. That's it, sir.
Very good, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया हर्ष. You have good flow, nothing to worry. Very good, keep it up बेटा, शाबाश. ओके, सुन रहे हैं आप लोग? कुछ भी बनावटी नहीं है यहाँ पर, जो भी चल रहा है सब कुछ एक्चुअल, नथिंग इज फेक. कुछ भी नहीं है. टॉपिक भी इनको पता नहीं था क्या बोलना है इनको, और आपको भी पता नहीं होगा कभी भी. फेक कुछ भी नहीं है, एडिटेड कुछ भी नहीं है, जो भी है आपके सामने है एज इट. आपको भी इस लेवल पे पहुंचना है with your efforts. Make it clear in your minds. Okay, so now I am calling Manisha. Manisha is not a new student, and I can say that she is the oldest student here. So she is also good speaker. Listen to her carefully. Come Manisha.
थोड़ी सी मैंने पूरा प्रिपेयर कर लूं.
प्रिपेयर क्या करना है इसमें? प्रिपेयर कर लूं? बोल फटाफट.
प्रैक्टिस छूट गई है, मुझे समझ
प्रैक्टिस नहीं है तो फिर तूने नाम तो डाला हुआ है. चल कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. दूसरी शेरनी को ले आते हैं. हमारे पास एक और शेरनी है, ये भी शेरनी से कम नहीं है, लेकिन एक और है हमारे पास में. वो हमेशा तैयार रहती है. यस, कम ऑन यामिनी. हाँ आ रहा है, बाद में आ जाना, कोई बात नहीं. यामिनी.
ये मेरी.
यस.
Okay, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashasvi Saha, and I'm the student of Raman English Online Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today, I am going to tell you about my feedback. So, first of all, I am telling about the English. What is the English? English is a language, and how we can learn a language? We can learn a language by the using grammar and to know the vocabulary and by our hard work. And if we want to learn a language, we have to make an interest in this language. If you have no interest in this language, you can't know and can't learn this language. When I did come in these classes, I I am more weak. I was more weak than you. I didn't know how to read. I didn't know how to write. I couldn't do anything in English, but now I can do everything. Um, the English is a language by which we can communicate in any country without any hesitation. These classes not these classes teach you how to learn English. These classes not try to cram anything in your mind. These classes, until the Rajesh said, teach you everything very properly. The Rajesh sir starts any batch in 0 level. First of all, they teach us verb, subject, object, by which we can know anything very easily. Sir gives us a proper environment by which we can learn. Uh, sir apply Sir apply a very perfect method. Sir do hard work and make this method by which we can learn this language. Um, we can learn any language with our hard work. Sir also know it, so sir apply the self practice method on us by which we can learn. Sir, sir, uh, sir, no, without knowing any language, we can't know other language. So sir, make a weapon by which we can do. We all have a common language by uh, which we use in our daily life. It is Hindi. With using Hindi, they try to teach us English. So it is a different method. Sir, sir gives a proper method by which we can learn. Sir, sir apply so many different methods like they
अरे ही बोल
give,
ही
he give us paragraphs. First of all, they read it himself. No, sorry, himself. After it, they say that we read it, and then they make and they say us make the English sentence in Hindi. Um, these classes not only teach only about English. These language teach us about our life. These classes try to make us a perfect man या फिर woman in our life. These classes try to make us, and we can uh, we can try to develop our country या फिर nation. Uh, these classes these classes not only teach us about English, I take my example. When I did not take these classes, I am so weak in study. But when did I take these classes, sir teach me how to learn. The Rajesh sir did not try to cram anything in my mind. They try to teach me. And when I only cram anything in my mind, I can't learn anything. And I'm so weak in study. But when I'm trying to learn things, I make better answers than books. So these classes are so useful for us. These classes not only for English. This class is for our life. Thank you, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड. टेंस का ध्यान रखा कर थोड़ा सा. सुगली सी वर्ड्स बहुत अच्छे होते हैं इसके. ये मस्त रहती है. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. यस, नाउ मनीषा, आर यू रेडी? यस, कम.
तो मैं जस्ट ट्राई कर रही हूँ, आप वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो.
मत डर मत बोल. डरने वालों की कोई जगह नहीं है इस दुनिया में. बोल.
Hello, good evening everyone, and hello, good morning everyone. My name is Manisha. I'm from batch 18 of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today I'm going to my feedback of these classes. So I'm not new in this class. I'm at 11th standard in Rajesh sir, and my English was very bad. I always want to speak fluent English, and I
चल थोड़ी देर बाद बुलवाता हूँ मैं तेरे से. ठीक है. थोड़ी देर बाद बुलवाता हूँ. अभी बोलेगी? बाद में बुलवाता हूँ, घबरा मत. आउट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस हो गई है. चिंता नहीं कर, वापस वहीं पहुंच जाएगी थोड़े दिन में, ना टेंशन मत ले. यस, नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग श्री. यस, श्री मैडम.
Good morning, all of you. I'm Nitigya, and today I'm here to give my feedback about these classes. But first of all, I'm telling about English. In present time, English is an international language, and if we learn English, we can present our thoughts and ourselves in front of others. So it is very important to know English, and I want to know English. And I joined these classes at first time when I was in fourth class. And before those classes, I thought that it is very hard to know English and speak English. But after those classes, I thought that it is easy to speak English. And in those classes, I got so much knowledge, and I improved my grammar and my English speaking. But due to some problems, I couldn't keep regular these classes. And before those classes, I was in a Hindi medium English school, and after these classes, I turned in English medium school. And in my school assembly, I speak on so many topics, and my teachers also appreciated me. So I thought it will be more beneficial to rejoin these classes. And sir also told me to rejoin these classes. So I started these classes again. But in first time I was hesitated, but now I am feeling cool. And this is because of the Rajesh sir, because he gave me self work, and I did self work, and this is the result. Now I can speak English easily. Thank you.
Very good. Yeah, she came to me when she was in 4th class, and now she is in 8th class. I think I am right. Shri, are you in 8th class?
Yes, sir.
It has been 4 years, but she is before you. You can't forget what you have learned. Have confidence, nothing else. शाबाश बेटा. Keep it up बेटा. Very good. बहुत अच्छा. मैं हमेशा कहता था नहीं है तुम्हारे को, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं है. You are at different level, है ना? Okay. Yes, come on, Sushil.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am the student of the Ramban online interactive classes from B16 and and also from B18. And today our topic is our feedback. And first of all, sir, thank you so much, sir, that you are teaching me and us, because today I am speaking because of you. If you didn't teach me English, so today I am not able to speak English. Not only speak, but also write English, understand this language. But now I am able. I joined this class on about 27 March, and when I joined this class, that time I was not able to speak. I was not able to speak. I was not able to two sentence about me because you know very well that we study in our schools and colleges, but most of students are not able to speak English because of our education system. Our education system is very bad. But I joined this class, and when I came here, sir taught me that if you want to learn English, so you have to do a lot of practice.
What happened? कहाँ गायब हो गया? गया वो ये है बस, इसका सबसे बड़ा ड्रॉबैक ये है ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का। चलो कोई बात नहीं है, आए तो आ जाए यार वापस फटाफट से। नहीं आ गया। हाँ यस, कैरी ऑन।
Sir, sorry. And and uh, and when I joined this class, that time I had much hesitation, but after some time that hesitation has been killed, because when you do practice, so that system will set in your mind. And now there is question in your mind that why do we practice? Practice is very important, because if we do practice, so that system will set in our mind, and we can use frequently. And as sir tell that as sir tell that we should do practice more, as much as we can do.
Very good.
And I I read English. Not only I come here to learn this language, but also I teach that I study that what is our duties, and what is honesty, and what is important or not, and what is going on in our world. And sir give sir gives us many types of knowledge about the world, about all things. And before this class, when I taught and when I studied in ninth class, that time I got some marks in my examinations, but now I get full marks in English. And today I am able to speak and write, understand, and I have skill of English. And English is very important, because if you because if you want to crack any exam, and if you want to give interview, so English is very important, because without English you can't crack any exam. And if you going to any foreign country, so their English is very important, because Without English, you can't communicate with them. And again, I want to thank you, sir, that you are teaching us, and this class is very important for me and for my life. Sir, that's it.
Very good. Nice speaking, Sushil. Shabash, beta. I am proud of you. Very good. Keep it up. Shabash. And now, Rajni.
नेक्स्ट सैटरडे को बोलूंगी.
बोल. हिंदी में बोल दे, कोई जरूरी नहीं है, इंग्लिश में तो बाद में बोलवा लेंगे हम. बोलना सीखो बच्चा, हिंदी में बोलो आप, इंग्लिश में तो हम करवा लेंगे अपने आप, हमें कोई टेंशन नहीं है, बोलवा लेंगे हम. बोलो. बोलना शुरू करो, चाहे हिंदी में ही बोलो आप, हेजिटेशन निकलेगा, हिंदी में बोलने से भी निकलेगा. आप पक्का मान के चलो, बोलो आप हिंदी में बोलो. मेरे साथ क्या एक्सपीरियंस है आपका वो बोलो आप, छोड़ो सारी बात. मतलब मेरी क्लासेस के साथ आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस है, हिंदी में बोलो आप तो थोड़ा सा, 2-4 लाइन, ज्यादा मत बोलो. बोलो, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी. अरे इंग्लिश में घबराहट होती है, हिंदी में कहीं की घबराहट. बोल.
I'm from English. हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग सर. अभी कुछ टाइम पहले ही मैंने पहले वाले बैच में भी मैं थी, कौन सा बैच था, उसके बाद में भी मैंने दोबारा भी ज्वाइन किया है बैच 18 में. मुझे लगता है कि इंग्लिश बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट लैंग्वेज है बाहर के लिए, और मतलब घर से बाहर जाते हैं तो ज़्यादातर लोग इंग्लिश में ही बात करते हैं. ऑफिस में वापस मुझे
घबरा मत, बोल आराम से.
जब मतलब मैं समझ जाती हूँ, लेकिन फिर अनकंफर्टेबल होता है जब हम रिप्लाई नहीं कर पाते उन लोगों का, तो इसलिए इंग्लिश सीखनी थी मुझे. तो मैं आपके पास आई और धीरे धीरे मतलब आई थिंक नेक्स्ट सैटरडे तक मैं थोड़ा बहुत बनाऊंगी.
वो तो चिंता नहीं है, मैं वो तो बनवा लेंगे हम अपने आप. तो ये बता कैसा लग रहा है मेरी क्लास में.
तो अच्छा ही लगता है, मतलब जाते हैं थोड़ा और कॉन्फिडेंट फील होता है.
ओके, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा. हिंदी में बोलो, घबराओ मत. हिंदी में बोलोगे तो इंग्लिश में तो हम बुलवा लेंगे. बोलना तो सीखो, घबराहट किस बात की. हिंदी में बोलो. बोल अंकिता, शक्ल दिखा तेरी. हाँ
सर, आज मेरे पास वर्ड्स नहीं है, मैं नेक्स्ट सैटरडे को.
आवाज नहीं आ रही तेरी, सारा माइक ये लेके बैठी है तेरी पड़ोसन.
सर,
हाँ,
मैं नेक्स्ट सैटरडे को बोलूं, आज मेरे पास थॉट्स नहीं है.
कुछ भी बोल दे यार, मत बोल इंग्लिश में, मत बोल, हिंदी में ही बोल दे. कितने दिनों से आ रही है तू, मेरे को जानती है तू. कैसा लगता है क्लास में तेरे को.
मेरा नाम अंकित. गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, मेरा नाम अंकिता है. मैं बैच 18 में पढ़ती हूँ और मुझे इंग्लिश सीखनी है क्योंकि मुझे गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम देना है और मुझे इंग्लिश.
कोई बात नहीं है, इतना बोल गई तो हमारे लिए यही बहुत है, बाकी तो हम देख लेंगे. ओके, नथिंग टू वरी. घबराओ मत, बिल्कुल मत घबराओ. घबराने से कुछ नहीं होगा. ये जिंदगी है, ये इस जिंदगी में निकल जाएगा. चिंता मत करो, हम देख लेंगे सब अपने आप, है ना. तुम कंटिन्यू रखो बस अपने आप को. यस, नाउ कबीर. हाँ भैया.
Hello friends, my name is Karmi. I am the student of Rambar English Interactive Classes from B18. Today's my topic is my feedback. I say truth, I think my level is very high, and I think we have many knowledge in English. And I joined this class and I feel my level is so low and I need very improvement. And I am take recently this class and I am very happy because I am very happy because
हिंदी में बोल दे।
सर इंग्लिश में ही बोलूंगा।
हाँ तो बोल।
Because other teacher teach me English, so I don't
हिंदी में बोल दे चाचा, इंग्लिश में तो हम बुलवा लेंगे, चिंता क्यों कर रहा है तू? इंग्लिश में बुलवाएंगे तेरे से, टेंशन मत कर, तू हिंदी में बोल अभी।
सर अगर मैं दूसरे टीचर से पढ़ता तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं अभी ये स्पीक कर पाता इंग्लिश। और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि आप मुझे पढ़ा रहे हो। मुझे थोड़ा आप यस सर, दैट्स इट।
दैट्स इट।
यस सर।
तेरे को डर लगता नहीं लगता मेरे से?
सर लगता है।
लगता है, वेरी गुड, लगना चाहिए, डरना चाहिए, क्योंकि डर के आगे तो जीत होती है बेटा। शाबाश, कोई बात नहीं, इंग्लिश में तो हम बुलवा लेंगे, हमें मालूम है, हम बुलवा लेंगे, सबको बुलवा लेंगे यहाँ पे, और ऐसे ही बुलवाएंगे हम, चिंता मत करो आप, हमें मालूम है, ठीक है, सबको बुलवाएंगे, ऐसे ही बुलवाएंगे, चिंता मत करो आप। आपको आपको थोड़ा मोटिवेट करने के लिए मैंने यहाँ पर किया है, घबराओ मत आप, थोड़े दिनों में बोलोगे आप, अभी अगले सैटरडे को तो नहीं, लेकिन उसके अगले सैटरडे को आप डेफिनेटली बोलोगे यहाँ पर इस क्लास के अंदर, चिंता ना करो आप बिल्कुल भी, ठीक है। मुझे मुझे मैं खुद को जानता हूँ, मुझे भरोसा है खुद के ऊपर, आपके ऊपर भी है मेरे को। यस, कम ऑन निशांत। निशांत इज आल्सो
Hello,
a good student,
hello, good evening. I
intelligent
am
student.
Nishant Saini from B18 Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today I get a chance to speak on is feedback about Ramban English classes. It is going very well. Since 3 May I joined these classes. Sir teach me that English is not only a subject. He teaches me that English is also a language. We have not to learn long questions, but he also teaches me to learn these questions, not learn these questions, and to make these questions very easily to learn English. He also teaches me in school in last 3 months. He teaches there very well. He not teaches there that English is a subject. He teaches that English is also a good language and self. He also proved that practice make man's perfect, because he gives us self practice work that makes us, that help us to improve our English. So I get a chance to speak here. He teaches us that
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, शाबाश, चिंता ना कर, बहुत फ्लुएंटली बोलेगा तू, है ना, बिल्कुल एकदम, नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट इट, ओके। मुझे खुद पे भी भरोसा है और तुम्हारे ऊपर भी भरोसा है, यही तो चीजें होती है, और होती क्या है, कर लेंगे अपन, छोड़ने वाले नहीं है कुछ भी। रौनक, हिंदी में बोलो, अब कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आप आपके लिए कोई कंपलसरी नहीं है, बोलो हिंदी में जो बोलना है, अंग्रेजी तो हम बुलवा लेंगे ना। माइक तो चालू कर ले तेरा, सूख ले, गले में से आवाज नहीं आ रही।
सर मैंने अभी थोड़ा इंग्लिश में बनाया है, थोड़ा बोल दूं?
बिना देखे बोलेगा तू, हमें नहीं बोलना देखा हुआ।
हाँ सर।
हाँ, मेरी तरफ देख, मेरी तरफ देख, हाँ मेरी तरफ देख और फिर बोल।
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Ronak. I student of Ramban interconnecting classes. Today's my topic is feedback.
हाँ बोल 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 बोल, मजा आ रहा है, बोल।
Today's my topic is feedback. I will start the classes on 0 level, but today's I tell English to my friend group. I am feeling short of word to
बोल, शाबाश, बोल, वेरी गुड, बोल बोल बोल
that
बोल।
hard word being put in online classes. The way you were interconnecting with student making learning so explaining everything was just outsiding your teaching has put my mind at easy. Taking all the children together is not easy, but perfection is always been habit and speak to English. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, मजा आ गया तेरी, बहुत बढ़िया, तेरा कॉन्फिडेंस देख के मजा आ गया बेटा। ये कॉन्फिडेंस रखो बस, और फोकस अपना डेवलप कर थोड़ा सा, बहुत आगे चला जाएगा जिंदगी में, समझ गया ना? हाँ भैया, और कौन कौन है, आ जाओ फटाफट, हिंदी में बोलो, हिंदी में कौन कौन बोलेगा? बोल वैष्णवी, आजा, अरे थोड़ा सा तो बोल दे, आजा, हाँ आजा, बोल, हिंदी में बोल, हिंदी में बोल, घबरा मत, हाँ बोल, बाय मत बोले, हाँ बोल, नहीं बोलना है, इसको तो डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई, बोल, अच्छा नहीं बोलना चाहती, कोई बात नहीं। और कोई बोलना चाहता है आप लोगों में से? कोई अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहता है? हिंदी में ही बोलो आप, मजा आएगा, मतलब हिंदी में बोलने से भी। हाँ कोमल, तू तो बोली नहीं, बोल कोमल, आजा।
सर मैं भी हिंदी में बोलूं, इंग्लिश में बोलूं?
बोलेगी हिंदी में, कैसे बोलेगी तू?
यस
पुराना चावल हो गई। हाँ हाँ
Hello everyone, my name is Komal Verma and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 11, and we all know that today our topic is feedback, and we all know that English is very important and helpful language for us, and English is also an international language, and now here we all know that we are students of Rajesh sir, and here we can learn English with the help of Rajesh sir, and it is language is very English language is very important for all, and uh, and now I am telling about my feedback from these classes, and when I was in 11th class, I met sir in the school, and when I see that what is what is the what is the way of what is the way of teaching of sir, and when I started when I was taking class online classes of sir, and before taking these classes I know what is tense, and I could make some sentences, but I don't know what is helping verb, what is main verb, and what is direct indirect, what is active passive voice, etc. But after taking these classes, and sir taught all things, and I can understand all things, and I can able to make all sentences of all tenses, and I know that what is verb, what is helping verb, and what is direct indirect, what is active passive voice, all things I know all things, and all it is it and I can learn all things with the help of Rajesh sir, and Rajesh sir gave many sentences to work, and sir always say that self practice is very important, and self practice is the key of success, and I um, I did many self practice, and I can able to speak, and I can able to speak, write. I am able to speak, write, and listen English language, and I am thankful very much sir to learn to teach me English, and sir always says that no one is perfect in their life, and perfection is very important to all person,
and self practice is the key of success. And now I am very happy to taking these classes taking these classes and my parents and I am very happy to because I can speak English and I am very thankful, sir. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड। लकी कहाँ है?
सर लकी की तबीयत खराब है आज।
डॉक्टर के गया है क्या?
नहीं सर, घर पे ही है पर अभी
चलो
एबल नहीं।
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, उसका ध्यान रखो, है ना। हाँ भैया, ये तो हो गया अपना आज का प्रोग्राम। फिर भी कोई बोलना चाहता है तो बोले, हिंदी में ही बोलो आप। कैमरे चलो पूरा सब अपने अपने, घबराओ मत, डरो मत। इतना तो बोल दो कैसा लग रहा है क्लास में, एक लाइन तो बोल दो।
मैं हूं ना।
हाँ चलो कोई बात नहीं, कोई चिंता
सर
की बात नहीं। हाँ
मैं हूं ना।
हाँ
मेरी आवाज
तू है
नहीं
क्या? अच्छा तू बोल बोल, एक मिनट जरा, मनीषा रह गई थी। हाँ मनीषा बोल
मुझे।
बोल।
Hello, good evening, sir, and all my dear friends. I'm Manisha from batch 11 of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today, I'm going to give my feedback of these classes. So, first of all, I'm telling you, I'm not a new student here. I met sir in my 11th standard in school, and when I met him, my situation in my English was very bad, and but I really had a very great interest in English and learning English, and I always thought of speaking fluently in English, but I never got any chance. And then I started taking his classes,
and 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 I sorry sir.
अच्छा बोल रही है, थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस।
And starting, I I I was as I was also rebuked so many times by sir.
रिव्यू को डांट खाना, बहुत डांट खाई है। हाँ डांट से मत
So
घबराना
many
कभी।
times.
हाँ हाँ
And I cried so many times, but I never thought of leaving these classes.
डिड वेल।
So many times I thought I can't do that. I
लक्ष्मी
never
समझती है ना,
I'll
लक्ष्मी
never
समझते हो ना। हाँ हाँ
I'll never speak English so many times, but uh, I but currently my situation, currently I'm speaking like that because of my practice had left because of my job. So because lacking of practice, I'm speaking like this. And thank you so much, sir. That's it.
कुछ नहीं हुआ, अभी थोड़ी सी धूल जम गई है, वो निकाल देंगे, तो कोई बात ऐसी नहीं है। बिल्कुल अच्छा, थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस अपने अंदर जनरेट करो, ठीक है ना। ये डांट ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है जिसने बिना डांट खाए सीखी हो, क्लियर बोल रहा हूँ मैं आपको। यहाँ पर आप किसी से भी पूछोगे तो वो यही कहेगा जी स्टार्टिंग में तो हमारा मन होता था कि छोड़ के भाग जाए क्लास हम।
नहीं सर, मैं छोड़ने का तो कभी नहीं सोचा
नहीं
मैंने। मैं
मतलब
रोती
ऐसा
रहती।
ऐसी सिचुएशन बनती है आपके सामने स्टार्टिंग में,
यस सर,
वो
होता है।
सिचुएशन अगर आपके सामने बनेगी और लेकिन अगर आप नहीं गए तो फिर आप कहाँ गाड़ी पार हो जाएगी, और आप चले गए तो फिर तो कोई बात ही नहीं है। देखो मैं तो सीधी बात
उस
जानता हूँ।
टाइम मैं बुआ जी के पास रहती थी, तो बुआ जी कहती थी रोती क्यों रहती है, अगर तुझे प्रॉब्लम हुई तो छोड़ दे। फिर इतना डांटते हैं सर। मैंने कहा तो तभी तो सीख हुआ, ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता
हाँ
है।
ऐसा
मतलब
नहीं
बहुत
होता, जरा से डांटने से बहुत डांट खाई है, मुझे मालूम है। तो आज
यस
ठीक है,
सर।
कोई बात नहीं है, डांटा भी। डांटना इस क्या है, जैसे अब कुम्हार जो होता है वो बर्तन बनाता है, आप लोग क्या हो, आप चिकनी मिट्टी, आप मिट्टी हो, आप लोग क्या हो, मिट्टी हो, और हमें कुम्हार, और हमें इस मिट्टी से बनाना है बर्तन। या तो हम मटका बनाए, या हम कोई हांडी बनाए, या कोई दीपक बनाए, या कुछ भी बनाए, वो हमें बनाना है। अब आपको पता है जो कुम्हार जब बनाता है ना कोई भी बर्तन, मटका जब वो बनाता है तो उसको ठोकता भी है। कभी आपने देखा हो कुम्हार को, तो अंदर हाथ लगाता है, लेकिन अंदर हाथ लगा के उसको ठोकता है वो, और जब तक वो उसको ठोकेगा नहीं तो उसको शेप दे ही नहीं पाएगा वो। फैक्ट है ये चीज। तो ये
गुरुजी
वही
मैं तो हूँ मिट्टी का।
हमारा जो मारना, हमारा जो डांटना है वो यही है। वही ठोकना है। अगर हम उसको नहीं करेंगे तो आप कैसे आप सीख पाओगे। तो आप डांटने से कभी मत घबराना, क्योंकि डांटना केवल आपके लिए ही है। डांटने में मेरा कोई पर्सनल ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे घर का तुमने ये काम नहीं किया तो मैं डांट रहा हूँ तुम्हारे को। डांटना मतलब अगर डांटेंगे नहीं तो डर नहीं होगा, और डर नहीं होगा तो आप सीखोगे नहीं। मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, ये मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है। डर भी लिमिटेड होना चाहिए, लेकिन हमेशा के लिए नहीं होना चाहिए। डर केवल इस बात का होना चाहिए कि भाई हम ठीक से नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो हम और अच्छा करें, बस दिस इज द मेन थिंग। थैंक
गुरुजी
यू वेरी मच।
मैं
और कोई
मिट्टी का
बोलना चाहता है
कलर
तो बोले, हिंदी में बोले, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। आ जाओ अगर कोई बोलना चाह रहा है तो। कोई भी अपने,
गुरुजी यस सर
हाँ बोल।
गुरुजी
लक्ष्मी रुक जा, चुप रहा 1 मिनट यार। हाँ बोल लक्ष्मी।
हेलो एवरीवन।
हाँ
सर आवाज आ रही है?
आ रही है, बोल।
मेरा नाम लक्ष्मी मावर है। क्लास लेने से पहले मुझे कुछ नहीं आता था, मतलब सब्जेक्ट नहीं पता रहता था, वर्ब क्या होती है।
आराम से बोल, घबरा मत बिल्कुल भी। पागल, हिंदी में ही तो बोलना है। हाँ कोई बात, टेंशन मत ले। तेरी जिम्मेदारी हमने ली है तो उसको पूरी करेंगे, ठीक है। कोई टेंशन मत ले मन में, कुछ भी मत। अंग्रेजी तो सिखाएंगे तेरे को, बस रुकी रहेगी तो, ठीक है ना। अंग्रेजी तो सिखा ही देंगे तेरे को हम, चिंता मत कर, है ना। ओके, और कोई कुछ कहना चाहता है?
गुरुजी मैं कहना चाहता हूँ मिट्टी का नहीं लोहे का खड़ा हूँ मैं।
बोल, तू बोल यार पहले, तू बोल यार पहले।
मैं मिट्टी का नहीं लोहे का खड़ा हूँ।
तू लोहे का है तो ज्यादा कूटेगा। लोहे का तो हथौड़ों से कूटा जाता है बेटा, मिट्टी का ही बना रहे, ज्यादा फायदा है। अब बता, मिट्टी का है कि लोहे का है?
जो ज्यादा कुटता वही सबसे समझदार
मतलब
बनता
तू
है।
ज्यादा ही कुटेगा।
आओ
ले बेटा, कल संडे है, कल तेरे को तेरी
और नहीं गुरुजी नहीं गुरुजी नहीं गुरुजी
क्यों?
सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी
सॉरी, बता मिट्टी का है कि लोहे का है?
मिट्टी मिट्टी
मिट्टी का है, ठीक है। और कोई कुछ कहना चाह रहा है? चलिए
नहीं सर।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।